Hi everyone, it was so good to talk to you all yesterday, even in a short video. So it made me think further that the continuation could be that, thank you, Crow. Today we have the Crow with us. The continuation could be that I have the permission to go for the thing that I've thought about. Now I have certain emotions and I feel them in my body. That's a great start. I think if you're listening to your body and if you know you're feeling those feelings, it's great awareness. And the best thing you can do to trust yourself now and to continue to trust yourself, even if something has happened in the past and you somewhere still may have some kind of regret or grief or some kind of anxiety within you which has stopped you from taking the decisions that you used to easily take before, or go for the chances that you used to easily, or at least analyze and go for them in a calculative risk taking way, you do not anymore at all, then it's a good way to stop and start conversations with your body. Your body, your first home, your first system. And it's so amazing. It will let you know where it's coming from, because I think logic and intuition both at the end of the day stay within the mind, and of course we have this electromagnetic field as well. There are amazing processes where you can consult each of these amazing wise mentors that you already have in yourself. And of course externally also, if you have a coach and mentor who can take you through this. And the most important thing, to start trusting yourself again, to take the chances you want to take those calculative risks, to take the consultation of mind when you need the consultation of mind, to take the consultation of heart when you need the consultation of heart, and you take the consultation of your field, your electromagnetic field, which is yours and many others in the field, to take all of this into consideration in easy steps is what NLP definitely helps, and therapy helps, and coaching helps, and you connect to what your modality is, right? But start having these conversations with your body sure, for sure, and start trusting what you're feeling. Start asking the feeling what positive intention the feeling has for you, because the feeling is playing its role there. It is. So whatever the feeling is, however you are judging it or you're not judging it, first step in NLP is thank it. Thank it with all your heart. And of course, move on to better emotional strategies if that is something that no longer serves you or your higher self. Yes, there is a higher self, of course, and you can talk to your higher self who's already seen the future in a way, and it can guide you. Oh my God, there are so many things we can do. The first step is to listen to your body, have a conversation, be best friends with your body, your first system, your first home, once again. Thank you guys. I'll see you soon. So start trusting yourself. This is all about self-trust, and I think I'm going to dive deeper into this topic of self-trust for sure.